Welcome to the official tutorial video for GenFarmer, the #1 software for managing and automating box phone systems. In this video, we will walk you through exactly how to use GenFarmer Tidal Premium. This is a breakthrough solution within the GenFarmer ecosystem, designed to help you build and generate revenue from your tracks and playlists on Tidal. Discover how to manage hundreds of Tidal accounts from a single computer, automatically grow your streams with authentic behavior, and turn your musical passion into a passive income stream, all without needing any coding knowledge. So, why should you use a box phone setup in GenFarmer? Today, using low-quality bot tools or proxies to boost streams is incredibly risky. Tidal's algorithm, just like other major platforms, is highly intelligent at detecting abnormal behavior. It can wipe out your playlists or permanently ban your artist account. GenFarmer, combined with a box phone system, which means real physical phones, real accounts, and real listening behavior, allows you to generate highly trusted streaming data. This ensures your accounts and playlists grow sustainably, completely avoiding any penalties from Tidal. Please note, you must have your Tidal accounts already logged in on all the devices within your box phone setup. Let's start at the control center interface. Select the devices you want to use, right-click and choose Copy ID 10 devices. Now, let's navigate to the Account Manager interface. Select the table containing your Tidal accounts. Highlight all the accounts you wish to run. Click on the Device ID column and paste the IDs you just copied. Click the Setup Automation button. A window will pop up. Select the GenFarmer Tidal Premium script and hit Select. Now, let's dive into the detailed settings by clicking on Config App. This is the most crucial part. We will go through each parameter together so you understand exactly how they work. Device threads, located in the config column on the right. This allows you to choose how many devices run simultaneously. For example, I'll set this to 10. Tool, stop time. Set the duration in minutes, after which you want the script to automatically stop. List of playlist, album, and artist links. This is where you paste the Tidal links to the albums, playlists, or artists you want to boost. Paste one link per line. Singer name, artist name. Enter the names of the specific artists in your playlist. One name per line. The system will prioritize playing tracks from these artists. Song like rate, percent. The percentage chance a song will receive a heart or like to boost engagement. For instance, entering 15 means every played track has a 15% chance of being liked. Listening time per session, minute. The total music playback time for a single active session, in minutes. Break time after a session, minute. The resting period, in minutes, after each session to perfectly simulate natural human behavior. Number of songs to listen to per music link. How many tracks will be played from a single playlist or album link. You can set a random range, for example, from 7 to 10 songs. Listen time per song, the playback duration for each individual track. You can set a random range, such as 8 to 12 seconds. Data saving option, choose whether to export your reports. You can select Save Data to Google Sheet to closely track your campaign's performance. ID Sheet, paste the ID of your target Google Sheet here. To use this feature, simply make a copy of our provided Google Sheet template and grant editor access to the GenFarmer service email. Once you have filled out all the parameters, hit Save to apply your configuration. We are all set. Now, simply click the Run button to launch the campaign. You can see that the status of the accounts has now changed to running. Let's switch back to the control center interface to watch the devices operating live. As you can see, the phones are automatically checking their IPs, opening the Tidal app, and starting to play music exactly according to the playlists and configuration we just set up. GenFarmer Tidal Premium isn't just a standard view boosting tool, it is a comprehensive automation system that simulates human listening behavior in the most sophisticated way possible. The system generates authentic streaming data, helping Tidal's algorithm naturally recognize and recommend your content. Stop wasting your time and manual effort. Let GenFarmer help you build your own music empire on Tidal. Push your tracks and playlists to the trending charts, attract millions of organic streams, and generate a sustainable revenue source from royalties. GenFarmer, smart automation, explosive income.